Okay guys, once you have arrived Picsart, go to the icon for create. The next thing you have to do is go to the icon for all photos. So let's select the photo you would like to use. You can use any background, but make sure it is a frictional background. Okay, we'll be selecting this. Go to select. Once you have imported the photo, go to tools, the icon tools, then go to enhance, increase the saturation, then reduce the enhance. Okay, then press OK. Then the next thing is to go back to the icon for tools, then select curves, then decrease it. Okay, press OK. So as you can see, so let's select the photo for this poster, fictional poster design. Let's go to add. Select these two photos, the photos you would like to use. Go to add. So as you can see, I am done positioning them. The next thing is to select the flame effect from your. Okay, let's import the flame effect. Let's go to add photo, add, then we move to our gallery and select the photo. So select this photo. I will select this photo and go to add, increase the size, then go to blend and select screen. Okay, let's erase. Okay guys, let's erase some of the parts that are visible in the photo. Okay, press OK. Then the next thing we have to do is to import our helicopter and the car for war. Let's go to add, go to the icon add, then import your helicopter and the car for war. Okay, select the helicopter, then select this, go forward, go to add. The first thing we are going to do is to erase this film part. Let's make it less visible so that it won't show. Okay, go to OK. Then we arrange it to this structure. Okay, move it behind. Okay, position this thing. Let's reduce the size. Then the next thing is to go to add another effect. So let's go to add. So locate the effects that we would like to use. Let's select this photo, then go to add. Once you have imported the photo that will be used, let's flip it. Let the upside become the downside. Let's go to the icon for flip rotate. Let's click on the last button, increase the size, and go to blend. Click on the icon overlay. Okay, then we will erase some parts that are not needed in this photo. Let's go to erase, the icon for erase, and erase the part that are not necessary in this photo. So as you can see, we are almost done. Then go to OK. Once you are done and you have click on the icon OK, the next thing you need to do is to go to tools, the icon for tools, and click on it. Then let's click on enhance. So enhance, what enhance does is to increase the saturation. Let's decrease enhance and increase the saturation a little bit. Then you can see it is okay. Then let's go to the icon OK, which is tick. Click on it. So as you can see, we are done with our poster design. The next thing is to write the text. So let's go to Pixellab for that. Once you have arrived Pixellab, the next thing you need to do is to go to your foot icon and select from your gallery. So the image saved from Picsart to be used as our background. Press OK. Okay guys, the next thing you need to do is to write the text write the text war zone. Okay, war zone. Go to tone and make it to be a capital letter. Press OK. Increase the size. Okay guys, let's position it. Go to OK. Then let's select the font. OK. Then as you can see, we have selected the font. So go to pattern and make sure your word is showing. Increase the size a little bit. Let's go to shadow, outer shadow. Okay, increase the blunt rate. Okay, let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate this and write call of duty. Call of duty. Put it in capital letter and select OK. Decrease the size and position it closer to this. Position it. Let's position it. You have to increase the shadow of the text. Let's increase the shadow so that it can be visible enough, seen enough. So the next thing you need to do is to import the text written in movie. Let's go to from our gallery. Okay, let's select it. Select it. Okay, increase the size. So once you have increased the size, let's duplicate this war zone. Duplicate it. Then let's increase the size. Increase the size, then okay. Make this color to be invisible. Okay, let's select this. Okay, let's use a stroke so that we can see what we are doing. Let's go to stroke. Use a white stroke. Okay, let's make it to be 0. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is to duplicate this 3 times. Then rearrange this. Okay, let's move them behind. Let's move them backward. Okay, as you can see, we are almost done. Okay guys, we are done. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Thanks.